In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website to Google Search Console using an HTML meta tag. We'll start inside Google Search Console. Open your browser and head to search.google.com/search console, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the Add Property dropdown on the left. Choose the URL prefix option. This method lets you verify just the exact URL you enter, which is perfect for a single site. Paste your Wix homepage URL exactly as it appears live, including HTTPS, and make sure it matches your live address. Then click Continue to move on. Next, Google will ask you to verify that you own the site. From the list of methods, select HTML tag, sometimes labeled as meta tag. Google will provide a short snippet of code. Copy that entire meta tag exactly as it's shown. Don't edit it, since Google looks for an exact match on your site. Now switch over to your Wix account. Open your site in the editor, and from the left menu, go to Marketing and SEO, then SEO. Scroll until you find site verification. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar within the settings to search for site verification. Under Google Search Console, paste the meta tag you copied from Google into the field provided and click Save. Give it a moment so Wix can apply the change to your site's header. Head back to your Open Google Search Console tab. Under the HTML tag method, click Verify. Google will scan your homepage for the exact meta tag you added. If everything matches, you'll see a confirmation that your ownership has been verified. If it doesn't verify on the first try, double check that you pasted the full tag in the correct field, saved your changes in Wix, and that you used the exact homepage URL when you added the property. Once verification succeeds, your Wix site will appear as a property in Google Search Console. Now comes the waiting part. Data in Search Console isn't instant, so allow 24 to 48 hours for search performance metrics, index pages, and other insights to begin populating. That's normal. Google needs time to crawl and compile the info. With your site connected, you can monitor SEO performance, review search queries that bring visitors, check indexing coverage, and catch issues early so you can optimize visibility. This simple setup gives you the foundation to make informed improvements over time. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day in any time zone.